So if you're new around here, just come by tomorrow. We're gonna be live again in the morning, trying to chase down some fish. Where he's in is a good spot, man. I don't know what he's throwing. Seem to catch him on that side over there. So I'm just peeled off right here in front of me. Saw the swirl. I don't know what it was, but man, they said every time I make a cast, I'm running in a pencil reed. We got hit. We're on. We're on, baby. Up here. Nice. Solid. Oh, you took it too. That's good. See how my flies on it. Yeah, brother.
That's a big one.
About 2-pounder.
Dang.
Yeah. Little 2-pounder.
What kind of bait you using?
Swim bait.
Oh, okay. I got some of those. I just caught one. We cut up hot dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I caught one in that one not too long ago.
Yeah.
He's still working on it, so
Nice.
I had to make fun of him that you just caught the biggest one I've seen.
I bet I heard what, 9 minutes?
Yeah. Hey, you said he's only been out here 9 minutes.
Yeah, look me up on TikTok. I'll Catch 'em King.
All right, I will.
Yeah. Go wade in the water. You got it. You got one.